So the cotter pin broke out of it. So just went up under there and found the cotter pin broke. To the off and show it to you. I'm about to show it. Right here. That's the cotter pin. It's supposed to be a pin right there in the hole. And it's attached to the shifter up inside the car. But I guess it broke. It broke out. And the car wouldn't move. So, and then couldn't figure out why it wouldn't move. It was too darn hot yesterday. It's still hot right now, but it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, Saturday. So, finna put that in there. Then when you get off of work. See that leak right there? That's the water pump. That's not cooling, and that's not transmission or cooling. It's the water pump. Same thing, water pump, cooling, whatever. Well, I'm in this lesson. Got the shutter cable put back on. Like, it don't have no drive. I don't think it do. It don't have no drive. So the drive is gone. So you gotta put it in third. I think first and second is gone. This is kind of a prayer and more. So it got reverse. But I don't think it got drive or second. The transmission gone, need to be rebuilt. But I don't see myself doing it because I don't know nothing about transmissions. There's nothing even dig into it to rebuild it. See, watch this. Nothing. Nothing. So I mean, the first gear is gone. Drive is gone. And then and it lurch. It lurch when you put it in. It lurch when you put it in reverse. So this transmission is gonna need to be rebuilt. But I know I'm not doing it. I know damn sure I ain't doing it. I don't think it's leaking no more. Yeah, the leak is still burning off a lot of smoke. I'm about to see if it was always leaking. I mean, if it was always not having first gear. So you got a transmission, it need a lot of stuff in this car.